I have been part of ITC Infotech for more than a decade now, and it has been nothing but a wonderful experience throughout. In this course, I have been able to widen my horizon from being a functional consultant to a service delivery manager. As a woman, it makes me extremely proud that I'm part of an organization that values us. The onus on work-life balance and psychological well-being of women makes me feel wanted, and more importantly, it makes me feel secure. At the back of my mind, I know if I have to take a break due to family reasons, I will always be welcomed back with open arms. Let me cite one of my experiences. Due to sudden pregnancy complications, I was advised complete bed rest. In this time of need, my manager had extended all support I needed and immediately planned for my replacement. It made a big difference to me as I didn't have to worry about any of my projects. Once I was back, I was given my previous role again and offered to work in flexi hours. The support extended by my manager, peer group, and team members at my time of need was quite humbling. There are several initiatives centered around women, like work from home, flexi hours, and focus group connects. The opportunities are presented considering the women employees' needs. In-campus crèche is a bliss and facilitates resumption of work right after maternity leave. I have both my kids coming to crèche with me in the morning and leaving at the day end. The comprehensive program at crèche for each age group gives the children immense exposure to suitable indoor and outdoor activities. Icing on the cake is that our kids get to see a green campus each day. ITC Infotech provides an enriching, collaborative, safe, and encouraging environment. The only thing that matters here is your performance and hard work. I feel that is how it should be. The opportunities to get into diverse roles are plenty, and even a small contribution gets high visibility and appreciation. Apart from that, there is a lot of onus on creativity, mentoring, upskilling that enables movement of women into leadership roles. When it comes to keeping women psychologically comfortable, ITC Infotech's Women Network platform tops the list. It is a great medium to voice concerns pertaining to specific needs of women. There are also multiple platforms to seek mentorship from other women leaders. It is undeniable that there is a gender gap in the corporate world, but ITC Infotech is a true equal opportunity employer. Speaking from my personal experiences, I have never faced or seen anyone face gender discrimination here. At ITC Infotech, you get exactly what you deserve. All that matters is your performance.